Hello everybody, today on my desk I've got the Machenike K500 wired mechanical keyboard. Very affordable, as you can see. It's available in two colours. You can get it in the grey. I've got the grey. You can also get it in the white here, and I've got it in the grey, but I've got it in the brown tactile switches. And if you don't like the brown switches, you can also buy the white keyboard with red linear switches. Okay, so let's do a quick unboxing here. There's not much to show. We've got some documentation. We've got the keyboard itself. We've got USB-A to USB-C cord, and we've got a bag of goodies. A couple of extractor tools and a couple of brown switches. So this is a hot swappable keyboard, which means you can do this. And you can do this. So you can change the switches and you can change the keycaps. So it's a 94 keycap design, so basically it means it's a full-size keyboard, but you don't have the full length. So you've got a little keypad here. Looks really attractive. It comes with PBT material keycaps, and it is a 3-pin mechanical switch. And if you don't fancy these keycaps, you can also get red, blue, or black. This is quite a lightweight keyboard. A little bit of give to it, but nothing major. Nice little bit of writing here. It's got a little bit of rubber at the top here, and you've also got your feet here, which can go up or down, so you can have it lying flat or slightly raised. Okay, let's do a quick sound test. Having a little closer look at the keyboard, flat bottom, nice little design on the bottom there. The side, you've got absolutely nothing there. This side, you've got some writing. This side is where you plug it in, because it is a wired keyboard. And on this side, you've got some writing again. Okay, so now I want to do the kind of slide grip test that's on your desk. At the moment, the feet are down, and it is quite sturdy. As you can see, I'm shaking the camera, so it's not going to move around while you're typing. This is the big test, whether it does the same thing when the feet are up. What happens is normally there's a tendency for these feet to flip down. So let's see if this keyboard will pass that test. And it does. So if you're moving it around, you're not going to constantly do that. Nope. This passes the test. Great. Like that. Okay, so we've heard it. Let's plug it in and see what the RGB is like. So to change the colours and the speed of the lights, it's a combination of FN and Alt. It's all in the instructions and the arrow key. And if you want to turn the lights off altogether, FN, print screen. So there you have it, the Machenike K500 wired mechanical hot swappable keyboard. There you go, another little attractive keyboard from whatgeek.com. Links will be in the description. Thanks very much for WhatGeek for sponsoring this video. Really appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye. Can't say I didn't test it for sound.